Welcome back to my vlog channel. Alright, so you know it's Shan, and yesterday I got a few flowers. All of these flowers cost me 2,000 Jamaican dollars, and I'm gonna show you what I got. Forgive me, I can't remember the name of two of these flowers. So I got this one, and this one is for 500 Jamaican dollars, and I got this one. This one is the yellow to it. Okay, this is the yellow. You see it blooms yellow. This one blooms orange. No, this one blooms, it's red. This one is the orange. Orange is in the box. Yeah, this is the orange. I can't remember the name, guys. Please forgive me. Alright, now these are some edging flowers. I have 3 of these, and I have 2 Toronto golds. And I'm going to just plant them up in my yard. Excuse my machete handle, I need a machete, guys. Alright. So I'm going to plant them along this area right here. As you can see, I have not yet wall around my house, but I have this old time wiring fence going on. It needs to fix up. The other day a car ran off the road and ran into the fence. So if I had a wall, they would have torn down the wall. And let me show you. You see that mark, that red mark? That's where the car tire went, and it took the fence and the wires all the way down here. Yes. And so this is my sage. My sage needs pruning though. Yes, this is my sage garden. This thing needs to chop out of the sage. I don't know what this is. Need to chop out. Alright. I don't know. These are the biggest sage I have ever seen. I don't know how I allow it to grow so tall. Well, I know how. I've been on the road. Alright, so this is my little flowers. It's not even my garden, because I don't get to put the flowers that I want to put in it. Because I'm always, on the road helping people. Can't even get around there now. This is actually a lychee tree. This right here is a Jamaican peppermint tree. It's really tall. And the garden needs to clean out. There's another flower. This is another type of mint. I don't remember if this is black mint or colored mint, one of them. Alright, this one is called, sorry about that, this one is called what is it called again? It loves the sun. Desert rose. These are desert rose. This is the orange one that you see me have up there. That one I bought yesterday. This is the pink one to that orange one. And I have another desert rose over there. I don't know if you can see it. I have this palm tree, it's going to be moved. And I have another one over there that needs to be moved as well. So, guys, look how tall the sage bushes has grown. And everybody keep on telling me to clip them and plant them and make money, but every time I try catching them, they're not. I just can't catch it. This is actually a lemon tree. Yeah, this is my lemon tree. Yep. Alright. In the center here, we have another palm tree and some more flowers going around. I've gotten dull with the flowers because I can't remember the name of the flowers. Please forgive me. I totally forgot the names of the flowers. All I know is that I love planting up these flowers. Alright. So these are the flowers I planted. So if you want to know what Shan, aka Shan Zenzen, does when she's not helping everybody else, well, I don't get a chance to do anything for myself, but I got to do this today. Oh yes. As you can see, the yard needs to be cut. Pure bush, overgrown with bushes. This is another flower tree, but I can't remember the name of these flowers. It looked like the car that ran over in the yard just barely grazed it. Even that ackee tree down there, it pushed out of the road. It pushed down. Alright. So the yard needs cleaning up, guys. Plant this one here. This needs to prune. This is a mulberry tree. It needs pruning as well because, as you can see, it has grown past the high tension wires. This is a coolie plum tree right here. This is another beautiful flower tree that blooms white in the Christmas season. When it's Christmas time, it blooms white. All the leaves change to white. So we plant some here and here, and I have these two to plant up here, going along the wire until I put my wall fence in. Alright, so this is what I do when I'm not doing anything else, which is rare. These are just some other flowers I have closer to the house. Yeah, this is actually a sorrel tree that is growing right in the flower bed. Another palm tree. Another flowers. That flowers bloom pink, purple and white. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.